Transport Technical College is the only school in Brașov County that trains labor force specialized in high-tech areas: computer studies, communication technology, electronics and automation, computing techniques, CAD design, media and printing craft production, automotive transport for the railway and the automotive departments, but also for many other different fields. Our school supplies upper secondary education, day courses and low attendance courses, vocational school and postgraduate education. As for the gymnasium cycle graduates, our educational offer for the next year refers to the 4-year upper secondary cycle, day courses, and includes the following professions: transport technician, CAD project designer, electromechanics technician, electrical equipment technician. After graduating, students get skill certificates and so they may enter for the baccalaureate examination. Then they may attend postgraduate education courses or they can get a job. By means of the second year vocational education, the 9th form graduates may be trained as car mechanics. They get the qualification level 2 certificate and after that they can get hired. They may also attend the upper secondary education courses and sustain the baccalaureate exam. The 10th form graduates who do not wish to attend the upper secondary courses may get trained as car mechanics or car tuner by means of 6-month practical tuition stages. After graduating, they get qualification certificates so they can get hired in that field. For the non-graduating adults working in the economics branch, our school supplies 5-year evening courses related to the area of natural sciences. Graduates from upper secondary school with baccalaureate diploma, as well as graduates from upper secondary school without a baccalaureate diploma, may go either on postgraduate education, qualification level 3+, in the branch of communication service, network technician, or on foreman school in the field of electromechanic railway engine foreman. Transport Technical College Brașov has a 90-year history. The school has been placed in the actual location since 1950, when it started as the Railway Vocational School. In 1973, the Railway Transport School cluster was born. In 2006, it became the Railway Transport Technical College. In 2009, our school merged with the Automotive Transport School cluster and has become the Transport Technical College. In 1996, due to its remarkable results, our school was selected among other 24 schools in our country to participate in the first FAREVET Reform European Program of Vocational Education focused on the area of transport. By this European program, our school was provided with modern technology, while the teachers were trained in various states of the European Union. At present, our school has a number of 36 groups of students with 880 students, 71 teachers, 11 auxiliary teacher body and 22 non-teaching teacher body. Our students get trained in laboratories, classrooms and workshops supplied with modern technology by means of FAREVET program. Within the tuition classes, they have the possibilities to use the modern school motor vehicles. The graduates have the chance to work in European Union countries or to go on university education. The students make use of 3 computer studies laboratories provided with 85 modern computers connected to the school network and to the internet. The computer-assisted electronics lab, the only one in use by the Romanian educational institutions. The automotive legislation lab, endowed with online testing software. The motor vehicle structure lab, 5 school motor vehicles in order to get the driving license B category. 1 truck with trailer in order to obtain C and CE category. Measurements lab, communication lab, electric measurements lab. The lab for electric machinery study and testing. Lab supplied with equipment for phonetic study of foreign languages. Physics, chemistry, biology, material strength and machinery parts labs. Social-humanistic, maths drafting labs. Methodics and vocational counseling center. 2 electrotechnics and 3 locksmithery workshops supplied with machinery. 2 physical education halls, 3 sports grounds. multimedia polyvalent hall, a school radio station, a school library with 17,000 entries. The school sports club, the Greek-Roman CSS CFR. We supply accommodation in the school hostel for students from other settlements, as well as canteen meals and semi-hosteling program for commuters. The Transport Technical College offers students an environment that helps them to train for line of work that fits them best and ensures them the future they desire. Students can take part in diverse out-of-school activities such as those of media editor operators within the School Radio 1 radio station and the Ferroviar Group 95 TV movie studio, or they can practice Greek-Roman wrestling at the school club CSS Transports. The physical education halls and the sports grounds are at their disposal. High school 9th grade graduates can continue studies in the second year vocational school in order to obtain qualification level 2. Then they can attend high school and sustain the graduation exam. Starting with 1995, students as well as teachers have partaken numerous international projects, student exchanges and seminars with organizations from France, Germany, Portugal, Greece, Italy, Austria as partners. The Transport Education Trade Union Federation was formed in 1992 with our school as its headquarters, reuniting trade unions from all educational institutions in the domain from Romania. A group of teachers, alumni and students' parents constituted the Romanian Foundation for Railway Training in 1994, its main aim being the permanent support given to school in achieving its goals at home and abroad. Both organizations keep on functioning at present. The school has as partners numerous economical entities with private or state capital where students complete practical tuition stages focused on different areas. The professional teacher body, the modern equipment valuing long tradition, partnership with economic entities active in the railway and automotive transport domains, as well as in other sectors with educational institutions and European Union NGOs, represent success vectors in our students' professional development and education. The Transport Technical College, tradition, professionalism, success through technology, a school for the third millennium, a school for you. Additional information on the school site www.colegiudetransporturi-brașov.ro or at the Educational Institution Secretariat, 12 Fundătura Hărmanului Street, Brașov, or phone 0268 33 5700 0268 33 4689.